Are you tired of feeling stuck financially? Like you're spinning your wheels but never getting ahead? Let's change that, starting today. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a personalized wealth roadmap that fits your life, your goals, and your future. This isn't just another money talk. We're diving into a step-by-step guide to create a personalized wealth plan, so you can finally learn how to build wealth with clarity and confidence. Whether you're just starting your journey or you're ready to level up, this is the exact strategy I wish I knew earlier. So let me ask you, what does your dream financial future look like? Stick with me and let's build it together, one smart move at a time. What is a wealth roadmap, and why do you need one? Think of your wealth roadmap like GPS for your money. Without it, you're driving blind, but with it, every dollar has a purpose and every move gets you closer to your goal. A wealth roadmap is your personalized plan to reach financial independence. It includes your income, expenses, savings, investments, goals, and the timeline to get there. Most people struggle financially not because they lack money, but because they lack direction. Quick story. I once met someone who made 6 figures but lived paycheck to paycheck. Why? No roadmap. When we sat down and mapped out a personalized plan, they were able to save $30,000 in just 1 year. Takeaway. It's not about how much you earn, it's about how intentional you are with what you earn. Step-by-step guide to build your personalized wealth. Roadmap Step 1. Define your financial goals. You can't hit a target you haven't set. Ask yourself, what do I want my money to do for me? Do I want to buy a house and pay off debt? Travel the world and retire early? Tip, write down 3 short-term, 3 mid-term, and 3 long-term financial goals. Example, short-term, build $1,000 emergency fund. Mid-term, pay off credit card debt. Long-term, invest $500/month for retirement. Step 2, know your numbers. Awareness is the first step to change. Track monthly income after taxes, fixed expenses, rent, utilities, car payment, variable expenses, food, gas, entertainment, total debt, current savings and investments. Use free tools like Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, Personal Capital. Pro tip, print your last 3 months of bank statements and highlight spending patterns. You'll be shocked by what you find. Step 3. Create a monthly budget that actually works. This isn't about restriction, it's about alignment. Try the 50-30-20 rule: 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings or debt repayment, or if you're more aggressive, 60% needs, 10% wants, 30% wealth building. If this is helping so far, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. I'm dropping actionable financial videos just like this every week to help you take full control of your money and your future. Let's keep going. Step 4. Build your wealth plan. Here's where the magic happens. Your personalized wealth plan includes emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of expenses. Debt elimination strategy, avalanche versus snowball method. Investment strategy, 401k, Roth IRA, index funds, real estate. Passive income streams, start small with side hustles, dividend stocks, digital products, and a protection plan, insurance, estate planning, will and trust. Break it down into milestones. Example, month 1 to 3, save $1,000. Month 4 to 6, pay off credit card. Month 7 to 12, start investing $200 per month. Tools that can help. Fidelity or Vanguard for investing, Rocket Money or Monarch for financial tracking, Dave Ramsey's Baby Steps for Debt Freedom. Step 5. Track progress and adjust the plan. A plan that sits in a drawer won't help you, you know. Your roadmap should live and breathe with your life. Schedule a monthly money check-in. Ask yourself, did I hit my savings target? Did I overspend? Do I need to shift my strategy? Visual tracking tools can really help. Think Excel or Google Sheets, habit trackers, or those handy financial apps with dashboards. And remember, you can't manage what you don't measure. Step 6. Avoid these common mistakes. Comparing yourself to others, your journey is yours. overcomplicating the plan, keep it simple and consistent. Ignoring your values, make sure your plan aligns with what truly matters to you. Not investing early enough, time is your best friend in wealth building, waiting for the perfect time. Start now, even if it's messy. Perfection is not the goal, progress is. Step 7. Build wealth without overwhelm. Focus on 1 or 2 financial goals at a time. Automate savings and investments. Celebrate small wins. Every milestone matters. Surround yourself with financial content, books and mentors. Book recommendations. The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley. I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. Your Money or Your Life by Vicky Robin. This is your roadmap. It should feel exciting, not exhausting. Now that you've got the blueprint, it's time to build the life you deserve. Start small. Stay consistent. Your personalized wealth roadmap is the beginning of something incredible. If you found value in this video, do me a favor, drop a comment below and tell me what financial goal you're working on right now. I read every single one. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs a financial breakthrough. This channel is all about empowering you with tools, strategies, and confidence to own your financial future. You got this.